Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Google is awesome and it's pretty good in finding and bringing relevant and the best content in front of you. ChatGPT is also a great choice for research and knowledge. How about using these two together? You can integrate ChatGPT with Google search engine. Bring the search chart and AI together. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, to do that, go to Google Chrome Store and search for ChatGPT for Google. Install it for Chrome web browser. Add extension. Adjust its settings. Choose when should ChatGPT be triggered. I won't choose always. I want to trigger it manually. Because even if you use paid ChatGPT version, it has its limits. GPT-4 currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours, and they say that expect significantly lower caps as they adjust for the demand. For theme, I would prefer dark theme. You can choose default language. AI provider. Use ChatGPT 4 if available. Right now, GPT-4 is the latest version. If GPT-4 will not be available, you will see results from older model that is free. Save settings. To use it, you will have to log into ChatGPT from web browser. Go to chat.openai.com, sign up or log in using your credentials. Now search anything using Google. Along with the regular search results, we have this option to ask ChatGPT for this query. If you want, you can click add this link to see response from OpenAI ChatGPT right inside web browser, in front of Google search results. This is pretty interesting. You don't have to open ChatGPT separately. While using Google, you have ChatGPT right there if you need it. It will save a lot of time and increase your productivity. I also have shared few ways to use latest ChatGPT version for free. Link in the video description. Check that out as well. So by using ChatGPT for Google in Chrome web browser, you can use ChatGPT along with Google search. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.